Hello. Hello.
Good
Yeah,
afternoon, ma'am.
good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
And
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, everyone. We'll just wait for another 2 minutes. Most of you have already joined. Let all your classmates be here and then we'll start. You all are presenters currently, so you can just request your classmates, send them a request so that they can join if any of your classmates is not here. Okay, so I think most of you have joined now. So we'll start. In the last class, we were doing Serenestar, if you all remember. I will share the presentation for Serenestar again, and if there is any issues with Serenestar, we can discuss it right now, and then we can, get over with the topic and we can start a new topic. So, please tell me if you have any confusions regarding the topic. I'll just share the presentation. Just a second. Am I audible to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there's
Yes.
ma'am, actually,
ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, this is my first class, so can you just help me out that from where I can refer the topics which has been covered in the past 6 classes?
if this is your first class, I have uploaded all the presentations and documents on your MS Teams, and the links are uploaded on Amazon of the videos. So you
And
can.
ma'am, can you just please tell me that which book we have to refer for the Spanish?
There is no such book that you need to refer right now because this is the beginning level. So whatever notes I'm giving are sufficient. If in case, I will tell you in the future that you can.
Okay,
Right
thank
now,
you.
no such book is required. You can go through all the material that is online, and you can go through the videos as well. And then probably in the future upcoming classes, we can have a recap of whatever we've done.
So, ma'am, when are the afternoon classes?
The classes happen in the same time. It's on Tuesdays, 1:15 every week.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
This schedule will remain the same till December. We have our classes till December. So till December, this will be the schedule for the whole semester. It is the same time.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think there's a little bit of disturbance coming out from your mic.
Disturbance. I'll just check. 1 second.
Because it's increasing if we increase the volume. Your volume is too low.
I'll just increase the volume. Hello. Is it better now?
Yes, I'm kind of.
Fine. I'll just share the screen again. Now, please have a look at the presentation once again and tell me if there is any confusion regarding this topic. Ser and estar are basically two verbs which have the same meaning but they have different uses. We discussed the uses in the last class. For ser is generally used for permanent conditions and estar is generally used for temporary conditions. Okay, and whenever we use ser or estar in a sentence, we use the forms of ser and estar. We use the conjugations of ser and estar. So in the next slide, just a second. Yeah. So these are the conjugations and the forms of the verb ser and estar. There are 6 forms, there are 6 conjugations that are there depending on the subject pronoun. As we had discussed.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the slides.
Not able to see the slide. Is it the same with everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we
No,
are
ma'am.
able to see the
No, ma'am.
slides.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा नेटवर्क में या तो फिर आपके कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा. What you can do is you can disconnect and connect again.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am, I will do it.
Okay. So tell me if there is any confusion regarding this topic. Otherwise, we'll move on to a
Ma'am.
new topic then.
Ma'am, in the practice question, can you explain the 8th and the 10th one?
This one, this question,
Eight?
this one are you talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
See, 10th one is about time, so we'll skip the 10th one. Okay.
8th one.
I'll tell you the 8th one. 8th one says OE dash lunes. Now lunes means Monday and OE means today. Okay. So whenever in a sentence the name of the subject or the subject pronoun is not given, ठीक है, जब subject pronoun भी नहीं दिया होता और नाम भी किसी का नहीं दिया होता, in that case we always put it into the third person category, right? हम उसको third person में डालते हैं. So this sentence means today dash Monday. Fine. Now this is talking about the day. When it's talking about the day, you will consider it under ser because day and date are always considered as permanent conditions. The same day or day cannot repeat again because numbers are till infinity. So you can just go on with the days and the months. So that is why we will consider it under ser and it's a permanent condition. सो सेर की जो थर्ड फॉर्म कॉन्जुगेशन है वो हम यहाँ पे डालेंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई सब्जेक्ट और कोई सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन कुछ भी नहीं दिया हुआ. दैट इज वाई द थर्ड फॉर्म कॉन्जुगेशन ऑफ सेर इज एस, राइट? And that is why we put s here. So OES lunes, it completes the sentence. Today is Monday. ठीक है?
Ma'am, for inanimate objects also we use third person.
In what objects?
Inanimate means non-living things like chair, table, book.
Okay, I thought animated you saying. Yeah. Non-living things will also fall under the third person. Yes.
Okay, thank
Will
you.
also fall under third person. Unless and until there's a name of a person given, like Roberto, the name is directly given, or subject's name, like mis padres, el profesor. It's a subject. Of course, you know el profesor is a professor that you're talking about. It's a in the masculine gender. And padres are also parents that you're talking about. और जो direct subject pronoun दिए होते हैं, yo, ayos, tu, these are all direct subject pronouns that are given. So either the subject pronouns or the name of the subjects or the name directly. अगर ये तीनों चीजें दी हुई हैं तो आप you will just read the sentence and then you will think what subject pronoun to choose. But in case all of these three options are not given, then you will always put it in the third person, singular. अगर plural कोई sentence है, अगर आगे कैसे कोई example आता है plural का तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी. But here it is, it just says today is Sunday, today is Monday, उसमें कुछ plural नहीं है, so it will fall under the third person singular category. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, for the minors, what is the syllabus?
माइनर्स बेटा अभी डिस्कस लास्ट क्लास में मैंने डिस्कस करा था कि अभी नहीं होंगे माइनर्स. थोड़ा सा हम सिलेबस कवर कर ले सिलेबस, उसके बाद विल प्रोबब्ली हैव इट इन नवंबर. डोंट वरी. ठीक है? आपके जो अपने एग्जाम्स होते हैं उनके साथ नहीं होता, एफबीएल के माइनर अलग से होता है. सो वी वोंट हैव दैट शेड्यूल अलोंग विद योर एग्जाम्स. we'll have it separately, so somewhere in November. We'll discuss it that time only. Fine.
की वीडियोस कहाँ से डाउनलोड करनी है?
Amazon पर आपको दिख जाएंगी, लिंक्स अपलोडेड है. आपको स्टूडेंट आई डो नॉट नो स्टूडेंट Amazon किस तरीके से चलता है. यू कैन जस्ट इंक्वायर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, वहाँ पे लिंक्स अपलोडेड हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक द लिंक एंड डेट वाइज दिया हुआ है. सो दैट यू हैव टू आस्क योर क्लासमेट्स कि वो कहाँ से लिंक आता है. बट समवेयर इन LMS या कहीं पर आपको.
Ma'am, it's uploaded on the LMS.
Yeah, so you can check it from there. ठीक है? Okay, so we'll move on to a new topic today. ठीक है? Now the students who have just joined are new. Now please listen to the topics that we are doing currently, and then of course whatever you've missed we'll do a recap of it. But first अभी जो कर रहे हैं उस पर आप ध्यान दीजिए, because every topic is new, तो कहीं से किसी का relation नहीं है. ठीक है? I hope you can see this PDF.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Now today we are going to talk about articles. ठीक है? Today we are going to talk about articles. There are two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite articles. This PDF has been uploaded on your MS Teams under your notes, and along with that I have also uploaded a PDF file which has all the vocabulary that is required for your semester 1. ठीक है? और जितने भी sentences में आपको कोई words नहीं समझ आएंगे, vocabulary नहीं समझ आएगी, तो उसमें list है अलग अलग. I've scanned it from different books and I've put it together. So please whenever you have time, जैसे हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक बार क्लास होती है, तो बाकी दिन जो वीकेंड्स होते हैं प्लीज़ उनको लर्न कर लो, वोकैबुलरी को स्टार्ट मेमोराइजिंग दैम. फाइन. सो प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक एवरीबडी. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक.
Ma'am, my LMS is blank.
Your LMS is
Blank.
Ma'am, mine too. There is no link on LMS.
I'll check after the class. मैं क्लास के बाद चेक कर लूँगी, because I have already uploaded the links. Okay, first of all guys, when we are having a class we can discuss all of these things later, right? जब मैं attendance लेती हूँ उस time पे आप मुझे बता सकते हो at the end of the class. But while studying, please at least do not focus on whether your LMS is working or your Amazon is working. Rather you should just focus on the class. Please. I'll check it. If it's not there, I will put it again. Although I had uploaded it last week only, so I think it should be there. But if there's a technical glitch, I'll check it again. Fine. So today we're going to read about los artículos. today we are going to read about los artículos. Now, los artículos definido and indefinido. There are two types of articles in Spanish. One is definite article. Please everybody mute your mics. There's a lot of disturbance. So there are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Fine. Now what is a definite article? Definite article in English, there's only one article, which is the. An indefinite article in English is a or an. Fine. So if I specifically I'm specifying that I want the book, if there's a particular book that I want, then I'll be using the definite article. And if I want to say I want a book, so you know there could be any book that I want. I'm not specifying that I want the Spanish book only. So in those cases we use the indefinite article. ठीक है. अब स्पेनिश में 4 टाइप के डेफिनेट आर्टिकल होते हैं. Why is that? Because these articles are divided into masculine and feminine and singular and plural. ठीक है. So if a noun, all the nouns in Spanish, name of places, name of things, names of people, and names of animals, all of these are considered as nouns. Okay, so in the Spanish language, all the nouns will have a gender. It will either be a masculine a noun or a feminine noun. ठीक है, सारे noun के gender होते हैं, या तो masculine होगा या feminine होगा. Fine. Now when we talk about gender, when we talk about the nouns and the gender, that is why there are 4 kinds of articles that are given. So the first one is L. Now L is the masculine article, which means the, and it is the masculine singular article. For example, libro is a word, Libro. Libro is a word which means book, book. Now book is a word in Spanish which is considered as masculine. So if I want to say the book, I will say el libro, because it is considered as masculine. और उसके लिए जो मैं the लगाऊंगी, that the will also be masculine singular, because I am talking about a single book. But if I want to say the books, then I will be using los libros. Okay, if I want to say the books, then I will be saying los libros. Libro will become libros by adding an s, it will become plural. Okay, libro will become libros. And like the same way we do it in English, हम s add करते हैं और एक word को plural बना देते हैं. In the same way we do it in Spanish also. And for singular, only if you want to say the book, you will say el libro. Okay. Now the basic, the basic thing that you need to remember for, differentiating between the gender masculine and feminine in Spanish is that if a word ends with the letter O, then it will be considered as a masculine word. And if a word ends with the letter A, then it will be considered as a feminine word. This is one of the difference and one of the major difference. O और E से जो words end होते हैं, they are generally masculine, and words ending with the letter A are generally feminine. ठीक है, A से जो end होते हैं feminine होते हैं, O और E से जो होते हैं masculine होते हैं. So in the same way, libro, as I told you, is a masculine word because it ends with an O. If we take an example of a feminine word, casa, C-A-S-A. Casa means house, ghar. Casa is a feminine word because it ends with an A. So if I want to say the house, I will say la casa, la casa. And if I want to say the houses, I will say las casas. Okay, casa will become casas, plural, और जो the है वो भी la से las बन जाएगा. It will become las casas. ठीक है. In the same way, when we talk about indefinite article, if I want to say a book, okay, then it will be un libro. And unos का जो मतलब होता है, the meaning for unos is some or few. The meaning for unos is some or few. क्योंकि a का plural will be some or few because it's a plural form. You can't, you aren't really specifying the number of the books. Of course, if you want, you can, but unos is to just to generalize, to give you a general picture of how many the number of items that are required. So unos libros will be for few or some. If you need few books, you will say unos libros. ठीक है? So un libro and unos libros, and una casa will be a house, una casa, and unas casas will be some houses or few houses. ठीक है? Una casa and unas casas, un libro and unos libros. Did you understand? Definido is the word for definite, and articulo is the word for article. Indefinido is the word for indefinite, and articulo is the word for article. Masculino, femenino is for masculine and feminine. Singular and plural are written in the same way, as in the spelling of the word is the same, but when you pronounce it in the Spanish accent, so it becomes singular and plural. Singular and plural. Fine. Did you understand the difference? So basically there are 4 types of theirs, 2 singular theirs and 2 plural theirs. Out of the 2 singulars theirs, one is the masculine singular the, one is the feminine singular the. And from the 2 plural theirs, one is the masculine plural the, one is the feminine plural the. So जैसे आपका ऑब्जेक्ट या जो आपका नाउन है वो प्लूरल होगा, उसके साथ साथ आपका आर्टिकल भी प्लूरल होगा. ठीक है? And in the same way for indefinite article, if you want to say a apple, the word apple means the word apple in Spanish is called as manzana. Manzana. ठीक है? Manzana is a word that ends with an a, so it will be feminine. So you will say una manzana for a apple. नहीं, इंग्लिश में तो it will be an apple because an लगता है for vowels, but Spanish में और an दोनों के लिए una ही है word. ठीक है? So
Ma'am, what is the spelling for apple? The manzana.
manzana. manzana.
So it will be una manzana.
Yes, una manzana, a apple, or la manzana, the apple. ठीक है? So moving further, this is now this tells you the meanings of the things that the meanings of the articles that I just told you. L is the masculine singular, la is the feminine singular, los is the masculine plural, las is the feminine plural, and indefinite articles are given over here.
Ma'am, the PPT has not changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay. And indefinite articles की यहाँ पे some दिया हुआ है for unos and unas, but it also means few or some. दोनों आप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है? Few and some. Fine. Now we're going to move further. ठीक है? Now I'm just going to share the whiteboard and just note down a few items. I hope you can see the whiteboard.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's not visible.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
वो थोड़ा
It will
network
come
की वजह
after
से-
some time.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
It's visible now.
Fine. Okay. This has become so. How do I reduce the size of the box here? Now, how do you identify whether a word is masculine or feminine? ठीक है? First we'll talk about masculine. Now please remember this this is something which is very important. Loners, Loners. You have to remember this. Loners मैंने इसलिए लिख दिया ताकि आप लोगों को याद हो जाए, like doctor in place. So any word if it ends with L-O-N, E and R, S can be an exception because कोई भी word को जब हम plural बनाते हैं तो वो उसमें हम S add करते हैं. तो एक feminine word को भी जब हम plural बनाते हैं तो उसमें हम S add करते हैं. ठीक है? So S can be an exception. Rest of the words L-O-N-E-R. So any, I'll just write it here, any word that ends.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, I can't see what you are
and
typing.
something
Only
went wrong
blank
with the
board is
board.
visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody can see it.
Yeah.
Only
The
blank.
words
ma'am.
are
Visible, but what you are
Black
writing is
screen is visible.
Not
अच्छा,
visible, ma'am.
okay.
Blank, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
white
okay,
screen
okay.
is visible, but it is not visible what I am writing.
Okay, समझ गई. One
Actually,
second. What
right.
I'll do is I will just stop this. I will open my Word file and then I'll type it there so that all of you can see. ठीक है? I'll just open a Word file and I'll type it there. Just a minute. Now, can you see the Word file? Can you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
this
Yes,
page?
ma'am.
Yes, yes,
I'll
ma'am.
have to just increase
Yes, ma'am.
the font size. तो bold कर देते हैं. Okay. So masculino words, any word that ends with these letters, all of these L-O-N-E-R-S, will be considered as masculine. ये वो PDF में नहीं लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है? Then for feminino, any word that ends with Z, CION, ION, DAD and TAD भी होता है. They are considered as feminine.
Ma'am, wasn't E in feminine?
E नहीं E and O masculine में है.
E and
ADZ.
O are in masculine. Okay.
हाँ, वो एक बेसिक आइडिया है, बट L से भी वर्ड्स एंड होते हैं, दोज आर आल्सो मैस्कुलिन, N से भी होते हैं, E से भी, R से भी. अब देखो अल्फाबेट्स तो A to Z पूरे हैं, राइट? रेस्ट ऑफ द लेटर्स दैट आर लेफ्ट, ठीक है, एनी वर्ड एंडिंग विद सपोज Z, सपोज R एंड ऑल ऑफ दोस, दे आर आल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज मैस्कुलिन. वो भी मैस्कुलिन में ही कंसिडर किए जाते हैं. ठीक है?
Remaining except these 7 feminino,
yes.
all the
हाँ.
others are considered
Exactly, except for ADZ or maybe. अब देखो ये भी N से end कर रहे हैं, this N, CION, ION, but I have mentioned CION and ION together. That is the reason because for an example, words like, I'll just show you the PDF. इसमें example दिया हुआ है. देखो, can you see this word educación? Can you see this word educación?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a word which actually ends with the letter N. So basically it should be masculine, but because it ends with CION, or you can also consider it as ION, इसीलिए ये एक feminine word है. Educación means education. एक और फन फैक्ट मैं आपको बताती हूँ, इंग्लिश के जो भी वर्ड्स TION से एंड होते हैं ना, लाइक एजुकेशन, स्टेशन, ये सारे TION वाले जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो स्पेनिश में CION बन जाते हैं। समझ आया? जितने भी TION से एंड होते हैं ना वर्ड्स, दे विल ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम CION एंडिंग इन स्पेनिश। ठीक है?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we'll go back to this. So you have understood both of these things. Now examples with these words I will give it to you I will give you the examples of these words in the next class. What are the examples, words ending with L or O or N or E or R or S. S is an exception because S जो होता है ना वो feminine words को भी जब आप plural करोगे ना, for example कासा, ठीक है, ये जो वर्ड है कासा, दिस मीन्स हाउस. नाउ इट्स ends with an A, so either this will be la casa or this will be una casa. ठीक है, the house, or this will be a house. ठीक है, la casa और una casa. But when you make the plural form of this, casa में आप, you'll add an S and then this will be casas, right? अब basically casas तो S से end होता है, it ends with an S, and the words that end with loners वो तो masculine होना चाहिए, but this will not be masculine. When it becomes casas, आप क्या लिखोगे? आप las casas लिखोगे, or you'll write unas casas, right? The houses or some or few houses. But you need to remember in your mind that this S that has been placed there is because the word has now become plural. ठीक है, the word has now become plural and that is why the S is placed over there. Otherwise, if you see the root word, it does not have an S at the end, it has an A. So exam में जब ये question आता है, when few words are given and you need to place the article, उस time पे आपको जो root word है वो पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर सारे वर्ड्स आपको प्लूरल वाले दे दिए तो उसके हिसाब से तो सारे वर्ड्स मैस्कुलिन हुए, क्योंकि एस तो सबके एंड में ऐसे ही आता है. बट नो, यू शुड रिमेंबर द रूट वर्ड दैट कासास इज द प्लूरल फॉर्म एंड द रूट वर्ड इज कासा. तो आपको उससे पहला जो एक लेटर है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू टू नाउ स्टार्ट मेमोराइजिंग द वोकैबुलरी. तभी आपको वो वर्ड्स याद आएंगे कि कासास इज नॉट द वर्ड फॉर हाउस, कासा इज द ओरिजिनल वर्ड. कासास इज बिकॉज इट हैज बीन मेड प्लूरल. समझ आया जो मैंने बोला अभी?
Ma'am, whenever we have to
Yes.
differentiate between words, we have to consider the root word.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. जब आपको आर्टिकल लगाने हैं ना बेटा, एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस कैसे आएंगे? यू विल बी गिवन सर्टेन वर्ड्स एंड यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू प्लेस द आर्टिकल, पुट द मैस्कुलिन और द फेमिनिन आर्टिकल, डेफिनेट और द इंडेफिनेट आर्टिकल. तो जब आप उसमें आर्टिकल लगाओगे, अब somebody who thinks that S है तो मैस्कुलिन है, तो आपने कासास पढ़ लिया तो आपने L लगा दिया या लोस लगा दिया, but that will be incorrect because आपको रूट वर्ड पता होना चाहिए that casa is the word and now this is given in its plural form. तो उसका जो करेक्ट वो होगा ना, the correct article that should be placed there should be las और unas. ठीक है, क्योंकि कासास वर्ड है, so it should either be las or unas because the original word ends with an A. The original word does not end with an S, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me any questions. Vishrut, do you want to ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, meat is called carne, but
हाँ.
but it is also but it is always called la carne, not
Yes.
el
Yes.
carne.
Correct. I was coming to that only. First, I was explaining you the words that are that are to be used with these rules that I've given you. Now there are a few exception words also which do not follow this pattern. For example, despite of the word having an O at the end, but it will be still considered as masculine. ये मैं आपको इसके बाद यही बताने वाली थी. Like these words, these are exceptions. ये जो ब्रैकेट में लिखे हुए हैं, can you see the PDF? These are exceptions. Exceptions में क्या होता है बेटा? That if a word जो रूल बना हुआ है हमारा, that O ending है तो masculine है, A ending है तो feminine है, वो रूल रिवर्स हो जाता है. उसमें क्या होता है, ए एंडिंग बिकम्स मैस्कुलिन वर्ड्स एंड ओ एंडिंग बिकम्स फेमिनिन वर्ड्स, बट वो सारे वर्ड्स नहीं है, वो कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल फोटो, FOTO, फोटो को फोटो ही बोलते हैं बट स्पेलिंग अलग है, फोटो FOTO. नाउ फोटो इज अ वर्ड विच एंड्स विद एन ओ, बट उसमें the good part is that even if it ends with an O, it will even if it ends with an O, it should be masculine, but no, it is a feminine word because it is considered as an exceptional word. So there are few exceptions for everything, as you know. तो ये वो exception words है. Mano means hand, it ends with an O, but it's an exception, so it will be a feminine. This will either be la mano or una mano. Radio, it's written in the same way but pronounced as radio. It ends with an O, but actually is a feminine word. It will be ra radio. Same for words ending with A. अब ये word है दिया, DIA. It ends with an A. So according to the rule, it should be feminine, but it is not feminine. It's a masculine word because it's an exception. So this will be El diya, the day. Mapa means map. It ends with an A. It should be feminine, but no, it is masculine. So ये जितने भी वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं ना एक्सेप्शंस में, ये एक्सेप्शनल वर्ड्स हैं. और ये जो ऊपर एग्जांपल्स दिए हुए हैं, these are the correct examples which follow the rule, and these are the ones that do not follow the rule. समझ आया? So exceptions की तो लिस्ट होती है, मतलब इस not only these words, of course apart from this also there are a few more words. यहाँ पर भी देखो दिए हुए हैं. These words end with EEE, but they are considered feminine. These words end with EE. ये तो खैर masculine ही है. These words are considered as masculine only. These are exceptions which end with an E but are considered feminine. Right? So exceptions भी होते हैं सब में, but वो चलो हम next class में भी discuss कर सकते हैं. First tell me, did you understand the concept for gender? That generally words that end with LONER, S
Yes, ma'am.
as an exception because S से plural बनता है, and then words that end with ADZ, CION, ION, DAD and TAD, they are considered as feminine. ठीक है, ये समझ आ गया इतना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes,
Great. ठीक है, इसको हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट टाइम. आई विल टेक योर अटेंडेंस. LMS में दोबारा चेक करूंगी. डोंट वरी, आई विल चेक इट अगेन. इफ द लिंक्स आर नॉट देयर, आई विल पुट इट अगेन. एंड इसको आई हैव अपलोडेड दिस ऑन MS Teams. यू कैन गो वॉच दिस PDF. प्लीज वोकैबुलरी लर्न करनी शुरू कर दो. मैं हर क्लास में बोलती हूँ, फिर पता भी नहीं चलेगा, सेमेस्टर एंड हो जाएगा और एग्जाम्स आ जाएंगे. फाइन. Any confusion? Anybody wants to ask anything? किसी को कुछ पूछना है in this topic? Nothing?
No.
Fine then. I'll just switch this off. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll log into Amazon and I'll just mark your attendance.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ma'am, can you pronounce the Spanish for color yellow? I couldn't understand the pronunciation for yellow.
Amarillo. Amarillo. The double L has the y sound or the j sound. आपको जो भी बोलना है आप वो use कर सकते हो. I like to say it y because I think that's easier for us to pronounce. So Amarillo और Amarillo, वो आपकी मर्जी है, आपको जो भी
Yes,
बोलना है.
okay.
Ma'am, can you pronounce examples for Spanish?
Ejemplo. 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 Ejemplo.
Ma'am, isn't J pronounced as her in Spanish?
Her नहीं, ख.
Because I've heard it at a number of places that it's pronounced as her. Even on Google,
नहीं,
I've tried it. It said her.
नहीं, गूगल ट्रांसलेट तो सबसे गलत ट्रांसलेशन देता है. वहाँ पे तो उसके एक्सेंट सुनना भी मत. इट ऑलवेज गिव्स यू एन इनकरेक्ट.
Also, ma'am, no, ma'am. Actually, I've not.
बेटा वो तो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं.
Google,
इंग्लिश में that is in English. Jalapenos, somebody whose name is JOSE, we call it Jose. So वो तो इंग्लिश में her sound होती है, not in Spanish. Spanish is always the her sound. Jardín, garden is pronounced as JARDIN, which is pronounced as jardín. तो स्पेनिश में तो ख साउंड ही होती है. इट्स द इंग्लिश व्हिच हैज द ह साउंड. Like
मैम you're saying that accent Spanish होना चाहिए ना?
नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ स्पेनिश में जो जे की साउंड होती है वो ख होती है, ठीक है. दैट इज व्हाई व्हेन Spaniards laugh they do not say ha 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 ha, neither do they write any ha 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 in their conversation, never. They will always write खा खा J A because H की साउंड ही नहीं एग्जिस्ट करती उनके में. तो H, the letter H is always silent, that is why we say ओला ना. अब हम होला थोड़ी ना बोलते हैं, ओला बोलते हैं. तो H जो साउंड है वो तो साइलेंट ही है. तो J की जो साउंड है वो ख की आती है. दैट इज व्हाई दे लाफ एज खाका. कहीं भी आप स्पेनिश जोक्स देखना चीस्तेज बोलते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट गूगल देम, यू कैन सी स्पेनिश चीस्तेज. एवरीवेयर दे लाफ दे राइट J A, क्योंकि ह की साउंड ही नहीं होती.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, last time, ma'am, actually, I pointed this out because last time also you told that J is pronounced as kha. So I tried it at a number of sources. Like also, I heard a lot of Spanish people speaking on YouTube and even in a lot of songs. They've all pronounced it as her.
Beta, you can send me that link then. I'll also watch it and I'll let you know because I have never heard that.
Alright.
Right? So maybe
Okay.
maybe you were listening to one of these Spanish, not Spanish. Maybe you were listening to something from South America because their accent is a lot different from how Castellano is spoken. मैंने आप लोगों को शायद बताया था और maybe I discussed in some other.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe that was the case. Maybe.
Espanol and Castellano are two different accents because Spain was South America was colonized by Spain. So these countries, Mexico, Argentina, Cuba, Peru, Chile, they have their own accent. Like we do not like Britishers and we do not follow the the United Kingdom, the people how they speak in England. We have our own English. उसी तरीके से even the South Americans, the Latins, they do not follow. Despacito आप सुनोगे उसके accent ही अलग है. That has no comparison to how Castellano is spoken in Spain. तो इस वजह से वो थोड़ा सा accent का फर्क आता है. But we are purely learning Castellano, whereas Espanol is what is spoken in the Latin side. शायद इस वजह से
Yes, ma'am. That may be the
videos,
case.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो ना बहुत American influenced होता है. Because of course, like Britishers have colonized over us, even Spain had colonized over South America. So they've never, if you speak to a South American, a Mexican, or an Argentinian person, he will never like Spain. If you talk to them, they will get offended. So that is how they do not want to adapt their culture. Neither do they want to. The festivals of Spain is very difficult from how they do it in South. तो साउथ अमेरिका अपना ही कॉन्टिनेंट है जिसका ऑफ कोर्स इन्फ्लुएंस है बिकॉज दे वर कोलोनाइज्ड. सो नाउ दे स्पीक, जैसे हम इंग्लिश बोलते हैं ना बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स, इन द सेम वे दे स्पीक स्पेनिश बट उनका थोड़ा अपना एक्सेंट आता है. ग्रामर वगैरह सारी सेम है, ऐसा नहीं है आप कास्टियानो बोलोगे तो कोई समझेगा नहीं. दे विल ऑफ कोर्स अंडरस्टैंड बट वी एज इंडियंस इफ वी लिसन टू कास्टियानो, इफ यू लिसन टू एस्पानियल वर्सेस कास्टियानो, फिर वो डिफरेंट होगा. So what you can do is you can watch YouTube video and just type something from Spain, maybe in the bracket आप Spain लिख दो या कुछ लिखो, उसके बाद उसको आप सुनने की कोशिश करो. So probably you'll hear the J sound.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, I will please attend to your roll call now. Ashwin Kumar. Ashwin. Harshit Singh. Harshit. Ishita Shukla.
Present, ma'am.
Rishabh Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Sajid.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rishabh Mishra is present. Priyaratnam.
Present, ma'am.
Amisha.
I'm Priyaratnam, present.
Okay, Priyaratnam, अब mark लो. Amisha. Ronak Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sunidhi Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Naman Shukla. Sorry, Naman Narula. Naman. Deepak Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Himanshi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhairya Pratap.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yogita.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nayanpat. Riya Sharma. Riya Sharma. Jia Sinha. Okay, Riya. Jia Sinha.
Present. Present, ma'am.
Tejasv. तेजस्व. संकल्प कुमार. संकल्प कुमार. सुमेरा रहमान.
Present, ma'am.
अर्चित गुप्ता.
Present, ma'am.
उदय आशीष.
Present, ma'am.
खुशी गोयल. खुशी गोयल. उदित कुमार. उदित कुमार.
Present, ma'am.
विश्वजीत.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. रिया श्रीवास्तव.
Present, ma'am.
सूर्यांश राठी.
Present, ma'am.
साक्षी बिष्ट.
Present, ma'am.
आयुषी शाल.
Present, ma'am.
अनुकृति निथानी.
Present, ma'am.
संतोष कुमारी.
Present, ma'am.
अमित रावत.
Present, ma'am.
प्रतीक कुमार.
Present, ma'am. Pratik present.
प्रतीक्षित कुमार. मार्शल रोड्रिगेज.
Present, ma'am.
महक विरमानी.
Present, ma'am.
समर्थ देव.
Present, ma'am.
तनु दराल. ओजस्विन कोहली.
Present, ma'am.
मेघना.
Present, ma'am.
राशि अग्रवाल.
Present, ma'am.
अमानत. अमानत बासरा.
Aman present.
दर्शित चौहान. ओके
Present,
अमानत,
ma'am.
I've marked you अमानत. दर्शित.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. पवन सिंह.
Present, ma'am.
अनुरूप कक्कड़.
Present, ma'am.
रिक्की.
Present, ma'am.
शांतनु.
Present, ma'am.
अंश मित्तल.
Present, ma'am.
प्रशांत पांडे.
Present, ma'am. Present.
मोहम्मद अहमद.
Present, ma'am.
मोहम्मद अहमद. विधि भंडारी.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
विनायक. विनायक.
Oh, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Vinayak present.
Hello.
बोलो.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Vinayak is
you
present.
have taken my name yet.
बेटा अभी आएगा आगे. क्या नाम है बोलो.
Nikhil Ranjan, ma'am.
निखिल अभी तो आया नहीं है. I'll check it again. अभी आता है तो आप सुनना. मीनाक्षी भंडारी.
मैम विनायक का प्रेजेंट लगा दिया.
हाँ विनायक. मीनाक्षी. गुंजन तिवारी.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Meenakshi is present. Her mic is not working.
Ask her to raise her hand. गुंजन
Okay, ma'am.
तिवारी.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. रितेश. रितेश. रितेश राजपुरोहित.
Yes, ma'am.
आर्या बाली. आर्या बाली. सुदीक्षा शर्मा.
Present, ma'am.
विधि. विधि चड्डा. Present, ma'am. Please mute your
Present,
mics,
ma'am.
everybody. Vidhi have marked you. Ashmita De.
Present, ma'am.
Vishrut Agarwal. Guys, please mute your
Present,
mic.
ma'am.
There's a lot of voice.
Ma'am, Vishnu Agarwal.
Okay. Aman, can you please mute your mic? Meenakshi, please mute your mic. Karan Mansingh. Karan Mansingh. Hardik Gulati. Hardik Gulati. Rishabh Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sahil Singh. Sahil Singh. Naman Tyagi. Okay, Sahil. Naman Tyagi.
Present, ma'am.
Aryaman Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Suryansh Tripathi.
Ma'am, Aryaman present.
Aryaman.
Present, ma'am. Suryansh
Chandan
present.
Kumar. Suryansh Markey. Chandan Kumar.
Chandan Kumar present, ma'am.
Okay. Aman Verma.
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Soni.
Ma'am.
पार्थ बंसल.
शिवान सोनी present.
शिवांश ने माफ कर दिया आपको. पार्थ बंसल.
Present.
शिवम कश्यप.
Have you marked Park Bansal?
Yes, I've marked you.
Ma'am, Shivam Kashyap is absent.
Okay. Aditya Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Gauri Dhingra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shivan Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Adrian.
Ma'am, Karan Mansingh present. Ma'am, my mic was not working.
करण अभी एक मिनट रुक जाओ. करण अभी एड्रियन.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. लक्ष्यजीत थापा.
Present, ma'am.
मनन उत्सव.
Present, ma'am.
आन्या जोशी.
Present, ma'am.
निखिल रंजन.
Present, ma'am.
पुष्किन.
Present, ma'am.
संस्कृति बोरा.
Present, ma'am.
देविका गोयल.
Present, ma'am.
निशांत.
Present, ma'am.
जान्या वर्मा.
Present.
सोनवी त्यागी.
Present, ma'am.
नितिन चौहान.
Present, ma'am.
इशिका सिंह.
Present, ma'am.
कृष्णा. ओके. इशिका. कृष्णा. आदित्य विक्रम भट्ट.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. सिद्धार्थ तुली.
Present, ma'am.
राम पांडे.
Present, ma'am.
कुंदन सैकिया. सोहम
Present, ma'am.
आमला. सोहम
Ma'am,
आमला.
Kundan se kya present?
ओके. अब मार्क यू. सोहम. बेजिल.
Present, ma'am.
यशांक गोयल.
Present, ma'am.
हर्ष वर्मा.
Present, ma'am.
भूमन्यु अग्रवाल.
Present, ma'am.
ओनली हर्ष.
Yes, ma'am.
के अशिता चौहान.
Present, ma'am.
देवयांशी बंसल.
Present, ma'am.
युवराज गुप्ता.
Present, ma'am.
ध्रुव सिंघल.
Present, ma'am.
साहब हसिन.
Present, ma'am.
मुर्तजा.
Present, ma'am.
भावेश दलाल. भावेश, दृष्टि,
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Drishti
अंगद,
present.
ओके, अंगद सिंह,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
अभिजीत कुमार,
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
एक मिनट बस अटेंडेंस हो गई है ना, आफ्टर दैट यू कैन टेल मी। ऋषि गर्ग, ऋषि,
Ma'am. Present, ma'am.
सचिन अग्रवाल,
Present, ma'am.
सुमीत सिंह,
Present, ma'am.
सिमी साहा।
Present, ma'am.
I'll just call out the name of the absentees.
Ma'am, Simi Shah is present.
हाँ मैंने मार्क कर दिया। Just tell me if you're there. Say yes or no. Raise your hands. Don't write it on the chat box, please. Harshit Singh.
Ma'am, present.
Okay. Amisha. Amisha.
Present.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Nainpath. Sankalp
Present,
Kumar.
ma'am. Ma'am,
संकल्प
Nanpat
कुमार।
present.
नैनपात आप फर्स्ट टाइम आए क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
Is this your first class? No.
No, ma'am. It's not my first class.
Can you just raise your hand?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I have seen. Fine. संकल्प कुमार, उदय आशीष, खुशी गोयल,
Uday Ashish present, ma'am.
ओके, खुशी गोयल, तनु दराल, करण मान सिंह,
Ma'am,
हार्दिक
Karan
गुलाटी,
Mansingh present.
ओके, हार्दिक गुलाटी,
Ma'am,
Karan, I've marked you. Hardik Gulati is not here. Shivam Kashyap,
Ma'am, he's
Krishna,
absent.
okay, Krishna Gajwani, Basil, okay, no, sorry, Basil is present. Soham is also not here. Soham, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Soham, can you just raise your hand once?
Yes, ma'am.
And Bhavesh. Okay, now tell me, Angad, you were saying something. Rest
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
can leave. I've submitted your attendance.
Ma'am, you have not taken my name.
Naman, मैंने ले लिया आपका नाम. I've marked you present also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. I'll see you all next week.
Ma'am.
Adios. बोलो अंगद बोलो.
मैम लास्ट क्लास में मुझे अटेंडेंस नहीं मिली है, मैं प्रेजेंट था, आपने एब्सेंट लगाया होगा।
Last class. एक मिनट check कर लेती हूँ. बस और कोई इशू तो नहीं है?
नो मैम, बस ये इशू है।
ठीक है, I'll rectify it. आपने मेल करा था ना? मैंने
Yes,
I'd
ma'am.
seen it. मैं कर दूंगी चेंज.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Okay.
Ma'am, you have marked me present.
Yes, I've marked you present बेटा. मैंने अभी तो आपके नाम बोले
Thank you.
सबके.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Adios.